Hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. This is Kamal sir. I welcome you back to Wisdom Tales by Kamal sir. Dear friends, as you used to get a daily tale from my side, but on account of my busyness, I failed to deliver you daily tale. Now I am going to resume the same tradition as earlier before. So let me start the today's tale. Once there were two friends. One of them was theist and the other was atheist. The thief's friend kept on reciting the name of the god all the time. He used to talk a lot about the good activities of the god. That God is the omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotent. But as far as the other person, a thief's friend, is concerned, he used to criticize the god a lot. According to his thinking, there was nothing of the name of God in the world. Once they were both passing through a jungle. The first friend, theist, he chanced to put his foot on a pricky thing. That pricky thing was nothing but a thorn. So a thorn went deep inside his foot. It troubled him a lot. But he tried to pick it out from his foot itself and kept on reciting the name of the god even in that situation. After some time, they moved some steps ahead. The second friend, that is a theist, he kept on criticizing the god at that very time. Moreover, he was struck against a stone. By this striking, he fell down. And in his great anger, he tried to teach a lesson to that very stone who fell him down. Which fell him down. So he tried to uproot that very stone. When he uprooted the stone, he found a bag half of gold coins. On seeing the bag, his joy knew no bounds. He was very happy. He started boasting of himself. He just pointed out to his first friend, theist, look at my own fate. Today I received a bag of gold coins. But what did you get? You get nothing. So what's the name of reciting the name of the god? What's the use of reciting the name of the god? It is still useless. God is worthless. Just live like me. He started boasting about himself with these type of talk. Meanwhile, on the same track, when they moved ahead, they came across a saint. The first friend, theist friend, he just asked the saint, "O Holy One, please tell me, this has happened with me today." The saint was a visionary person. By his sixth sense, he came to know that today itself the hanging was written in your feet. But due to the reciting of the name of the god, you got only a thorn. Then he asked a second question. Just look at this friend, a theist one. He always criticized the god, but he got a bag of gold coins. Then he looked into his feet and he told that in his destiny today, it was written a bag full of gold coins. But due to the criticizing of the god, half of the gold coins had been turned into ash. That's why his bag is half filled with gold coins and half filled with ash. Moral of the story is never criticize the name of the god, for he is the giver of everything. Never criticize the name of the god, for he is the giver of everything. Today I am going to end up this deal with some Gurbani lines, and I hope you will certainly like these lines. And the lines are, हर को नाम सदा सुखदाई, जाको सिमर अजामल उदरियो, जाको सिमर अजामल उदरियो, गनका हूं गत पाई, पंचाली को राजसभा में, पंचाली को राजसभा में, राम नाम सुध आई, ताको दुख हरियो करुणा में, ताको दुख हरियो करुणा में, अपनी पैद बढ़ाई, रहाओ जे नर जस कृपा निध गायो, जे नर जस कृपा निध गायो, ताको पयो सहाई, कहो नानक मैं ही पुरुष है, कहो नानक मैं ही पुरुष है, गही आन शरणाई, कहो नानक मैं ही पुरुष है, गही आन शरणाई, कहो नानक मैं ही पुरुष है, गही आन शरणाई. That's all for the day. But keep subscribing and keep liking to my channel. That is none but Wisdom Tales by Kamal sir.